Yodelicious. Welcome back to Yodelicious. As you remember in episode 5, we were looking for a contender to be our diesel Tacoma. And of the two trucks, we went with the red 4-door Tacoma. But today, I'd like to reveal something. We got both, and we're building a dually. It's another taco project. What's going on?
Fords hauling Toyotas as usual there.
Ooh, low blow. Since this Tacoma came to us without a key, making it really hard to steer and move around the whole shop area, we're gonna have to fix this situation by using a different steering column from one of our parts trucks. Here we go. We have the steering column out. I'll be using the one from our diesel Tacoma project as it's on hiatus as we wait for some more parts. There it is, guys. Steering column from the diesel Tacoma in our newest project, the Taco Supreme. It'll be a dually. A dually is 4 tires in the rear. Dualies help disperse weight as well as aid in traction when you have way too much horsepower. I chose a Ford F350 Dana 70 axle as it's well known for durability. I made sure to go through this differential to make sure there's no hairline cracks or broken welds on the whole thing before I keep working on it.
I heard they checking for me, no one checking on me, so I had to go run up a check. I got the message on me, ain't no flexing on me, my attorney gon' call and collect. Blessings on blessings for me, my successes only made them envious, they got upset. I had to put all their egos in check. I want the money, the power, respect, and I heard you know so-and-so, you not a threat, cause I really know so-and-so.
Now stay tuned in the weeks to come to find out what else we do to our Taco Supreme.
I'm getting gutter, my flow been like butter, my check in the bank. They see the number, all of my haters feel one of 2 ways. Really upset, they show some respect. I can't even think about it, I've been up, so read about it. No beat around it, straight to it, no ring around it. You coming for me, we'll see about it. We'll never see it when I get my feet up. 100 meters where I run the fee up, and go ka-ching and nana manapia. I had to re-up on a reel, so you stay the feet up.
Welcome back to Yodelicious. Take 32. We have 2 diesel Tacomas. Some bitch, we don't have 2 diesel Tacomas. We have 2 Tacomas to choose.
Action.
As you install the engine, which is with this, as you may remember, with our second Tacoma.
Action.
From the last episode, last couple episodes, this bad boy. But I'd like something. Welcome back to Yodelicious. I'm here with our 2000s with no other takes we had for episode. What am I saying?